Assalamu alaikum students. Metric class English chapter is profession. Now in this lecture I will provide you notes of profession chapter. Okay, now write down the questions. Question number 1. What was the first word of revelation? And the answer is the first word of revelation was Iqra, which means to read. Question number 2. What does Akhan mean? The word Akhan means a teacher. This word has been taken from the Persian word Khandan, which means to read. Now question number 3. How did the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, teach his followers? Answer. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, taught his followers not only by his words but also by practicing all the good deeds in his daily life. He was real and effective teacher with strong impact overall all the ages to come. Question number 4. What is the most important quality of a teacher? Question mark. And the answer is the most important quality of a teacher is that he not only tries to know what is true, good and beautiful, but at the same time he tries to incorporate them in his life. It means that he practices what he preaches. He works for the betterment and welfare of his people. Now question number 5. Where are God's words written? And the answer is God's words are written on the human heart, in the nature, in the holy book of God. Question number 6. How does a teacher fulfill God's command? Question mark. And the answer is God has commanded us in the holy book to read. The teacher is a person who knows how to read. A teacher fulfills God's commands by reading God's words. He makes other reader and understand God's words. Yes, student. Question number 7. What are the qualities of a teacher? The most important qualities of a teacher are as follows. Number 1. A teacher is a reader par excellence. He is thirst for knowledge. He loves and appreciates his profession. He prefers the welfare of his students to his own. He must act upon what he preaches to his student. Question number 8. Why is fish important for us? And the answer is fish is very important for us because it is an important source of food. It also has commercial and financial value. We earn a large amount of foreign exchange by exporting fish to foreign countries. It is too good for our health. Question number 9. What is the difference between freshwater fishing and marine fishing? And the answer is freshwater fish are caught from freshwater such as river, lakes, stream, canals and ponds. They are usually small but good in taste. They are sold locally at high prices. Question number 10. Why is marine fishing done in Pakistan? And the answer is, in Pakistan, marine fishing is done in the Arabian Sea along the coast. In the fishing season, the boats of all sizes go out in the deep sea and return with tons of fish. They face the danger of the sea as well. Question number 11. What are the dangers of marine fishing? The greatest dangers of marine fishing are storms and rough weather. These boats are then at the mercy of the storm, against which they are quite helpless. Now student, there are 11 questions and we are having two topics in this chapter. First is teaching and the other is fishing. Now with the next page, start with the next page, fill in the blanks. Sindhi word for teacher is blank is akhun. The first word of revelation was blank is wahi. A teacher is a reader, blank is par excellence. Number 4, an important quality of a teacher is thirst for knowledge. Knowledge is your blank. Next is, a teacher loves and appreciates his profession. Appreciate is underline. Next, fish is an important source is underline of our food. Several byproducts underline product are obtained from fish, example glue, manure and liver oil. Next, weather stations have been built along the coast. So blank is weather station. Marine fishing means sea fishing. Sea is underlined over here. And the last blank is Manora is an offshore island. So these are the blanks, student. Now reference to contest. Start with the next page. Put the heading of reference to contest. The government is now taking keen interest in improving and modernizing the fish industry. Over here we are having 3 questions regarding this contest. Number 1, what is the name of the chapter? So answer is fishing. Who is taking keen interest in? So government is taking keen interest in this modernizing it. Question number 3, what is the purpose of taking keen interest in fishing? Why the government is taking steps to improve or modernize the fish industry? So the answer is to improve and modernize the fish industry. Students, you have to copy it down in your literature registers or in your literature copies. Do your work carefully and neatly. Use black marker for the heading or black pointer for the questions and use blue ink pen for the answers. I hope so you will follow my instructions and complete this chapter. Okay student, complete your work. Stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.